93% of Indian organizations experienced multiple identity-related breaches in the past year. This means a vast majority of organizations have been compromised. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. This alarming statistic underscores the widespread vulnerability in the cybersecurity frameworks of the organizations. Common issues include poor password management, unpatched software, and inconsistent security configurations, making these entities susceptible to various cyber threats. As more devices and systems connect to the internet, these machine identities are becoming a target for attackers. Many organizations don't properly secure privileged accounts. These accounts have a high level of access and can be very damaging if compromised by hackers. The rise of identity breaches is part of a broader trend where cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated globally. Factors contributing to this surge include the growing prevalence of remote work, which has extended the attack surface, and the increasing complexity of IT environments that many organizations struggle to secure adequately. A report illuminates the urgent need to bridge the gap between human and machine identity security. The reliance on AI in cyber defense becomes not just a strategic advantage but a necessity in combating AI driven threats. In this era of increasing cyber risk, it is imperative to unify the defenses, harnessing the power of AI while nurturing a culture of vigilance to safeguard against the ever evolving threats to the digital identities. The report shows that identity breaches have affected nearly all organizations multiple times in nearly all cases and demonstrates that siloed legacy solutions are ineffective at solving today's problems. To stay ahead, a paradigm shift is required, where resilience is built around a new cybersecurity model that places identity security at its core. To mitigate these risks, organizations are encouraged to adopt robust security measures such as implementing zero trust architectures, enhancing employee training on cybersecurity best practices, and maintaining up to date incident response plans. These steps can significantly reduce the likelihood of breaches and help contain their impact when they do occur. Let's look into today's headlines. Dixon Technologies to manufacture Google Pixel 8 in India. Alphabet has selected Dixon Technologies, an Indian contract manufacturer, to manufacture Google Pixel 8 smartphones in India. The first batch is anticipated to hit the market by September, and the trial manufacturing phase is now under progress. This action is in line with Google's plan to diversify its supply chain outside of China and take advantage of the expanding smartphone market in India. Adobe Lightroom introduces an object removal feature driven by AI. Utilizing the Firefly AI model, Adobe Lightroom has launched the generative remove function. In photographs, users can paint over items and then click to remove them. In contrast to content-aware fill in Photoshop, it provides 3 replacement possibilities for a more realistic appearance. Generative remove is currently in beta and free to use, with future adoption of generative credit system. Microsoft unveils Recall feature which uses AI to improve Windows 11 searchability. At Microsoft's annual developer conference, Build, a new AI-powered feature called Recall has been demonstrated. It will be included into Copilot Plus PCs running Windows 11. An artificial intelligence application called Recall records everything users do on the computer, including the apps they use, the websites they browse, and even the in-person meetings they attend. Users can go through the timeline that contains this data to get a quick overview of their previous actions. Apple stopped approximately $7 billion worth of cybercrime. In Apple's fourth annual anti-fraud analysis, Apple has claimed to save users $7 billion, which is about 584 billion rupees in Indian currency, by preventing online fraud from 2020 to 2023, with a projected $1.8 billion savings in 2023. According to Apple, 3.3 million accounts and 14 million credit cards linked to identity theft have been blocked. Apple stopped 3.5 million fraudulent transactions using credit cards that were stolen in 2023. About 1.1 million accounts were blocked during that time for attempting to use stolen cards to make purchases. Unconsented data use raises privacy concerns for Slack. The well-known network for business communication, Slack, has encountered difficulties. Serious debates over user privacy and data protection have been triggered by recent problems with its application of machine learning technology. The company's use of user messages, files, and other content for model training without express permission has raised serious concerns from users and privacy groups. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.